Welcome to Hyperspeed Media.
Check that out. It's pretty cool. NB Roadster. There's another one with the black NB, I believe. But kind of picked this one up. It's a model kit, one of the stuff that you can build, and that's how it looks like right there. And it comes with a sticker to animate your Miata. So this is pretty cool, from Japan. Another cool item. This one is a 1/43 scale collector edition from Japan. This is hard to find. And by M-Tech. And it even have the driver inside there. And I believe this is I think it's from the 2000, like copper type color. That's pretty cool. Another cool item from Japan again. Well, everything's from Japan in this package. But this one, I like this one. So this one is a model kit that has been modified, I believe. I'm not sure exactly, or it comes like that. But it has the big wang, has a works wheel, it's red. Looks good. I don't know the scale for this. I think it's one. I don't know the scale for it. It's not 118. It's the 132, I believe. So that's pretty cool. So 1.6 with wheels and a wang. This one I'm excited about. Check this out. Look at this. This is actually the original promotion video when you buy a new Roadster in Japan. And it's a VHS tape with the from Mazda. So it's VHS right there. Yeah, so it's one of those promotional tape from the dealer, and I found this. It was kind of cheap, so I bought it. And it's an NB. I don't know what year exactly. Unos. I think it's just the original package from Mazda too. Yeah. So pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now this too. It's the same thing, but this is just extra. But this has the complete kit. Open it right now. So, all right, finally got it open. And then there's just another package. Well, okay. This is what I'm excited about. I don't want to damage it, but this is the full collection. There's 6 color that these Miata comes off. They're kind of like Hot Wheels, but they're not Hot Wheels. It's the, I guess, Japanese version. I just dropped one. And you got to put the tires on it, all right? The seal in the bag. You see that? The wheels. You got to put the wheels on it. And it's pretty detailed. It even has a lot of detail on the bottom. More detail than the Hot Wheels. Yeah, look at that. You can even see the logo on the back. I'm gonna open one soon, but I opened the other one to have extra. But this one is the complete package. So each one of them comes with its own wheel. There's the white one, yellow one, red one, blue one, British racing green, and another color, and a black one. Ooh, this is red interior, so this has to be the LE version. That's cool. And it comes with a hardtop also. Look at that. So the LE, and I guess wait, does all of them come with a hardtop? No, not all of them come with a hardtop, but the white one and the black one come with a hardtop. And check this out, guys. I don't know if you can see in here, but the headlights goes up, headlights goes down. Unlike the Hot Wheel version, this is way more detailed. And these, you can still get these in Japan. So grab a set if you can, grab a whole bunch if you can. And this is the packages come with, or the company that makes it. They gave me the whole bunch for each cars. So that is pretty dang cool. So I got all 6 color. All right, so this one is harder to find, if you could even find it. They sell it in the US also, but they charge really high for it. They charge like 200 bucks for this, the last time I checked on eBay. So, let me open this with the razor blade. Okay, still another wrapper. So these are pretty cool. They're pretty much like the bigger version of the Q, whatever, charcoal Q mini car, pullback car, but they're a little bit bigger. See that? A little bit bigger. This is used, and it has some marking on it. But yeah, they're a little bit bigger, and they're pullback. They're like the penny racer, the Japanese penny racer, but a little bit bigger. And they're pullbacks. So these are hard to find. I think it's made by something town, Hobby, no, not Hobby Town. Yeah, so that's a cool item. Oh crap, what the hell is it? It's not even what I expected. Oh, some kind of booklet. Japanese booklet with all the model kit. Oh, that's cool. Some kind of magazine, model kit. Look at that. Didn't even expect this, but they shipped this with it. That's cool. Look at that. This is probably the most exciting item in here. And I think they forgot to give me one item because I'm missing an item. Not a big deal, whatever. This is what I'm excited about. Check this out, guys. Oh my gosh, look at it. Jesus Christ. That's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I don't know if the video shows it. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Man, this is so beautiful. Jesus. It's much better in person. They even shipped it with a wooden lock on the bottom. Ah, gosh, look at that. So this is the Mazda Speed seat, bucket seat. Very hard to find. Oh my God, I thought the Lotus seat was nice, but look at this, man, that thing is just beautiful. There's a little mark right here, it's used, but wow. It comes with the seat belt and all that stuff, the sliders, all that stuff is all good. Look at it, Jesus, that's a beauty. All right, so we're back inside. I'm gonna open a couple of these. So again, these are like Hot Wheels, but they're like the Japanese version. It's much more detailed than the Hot Wheels. And they still sell them. So here's the car. Don't mind my fingernails because I was fixing my car earlier. You can see the headlights. Headlights goes up. You can see the details on the bottom, but there's more detail on the bottom. The exhaust is painted. You can see the suspension component right here. And this one has a soft top and a window. Some of them come with a hard top and some of them are open. So it all depends on the color that you buy. Okay, so now we're going to attach the wheels. I think it just snap on, I'm not sure. Yeah, it looks like just snap on. Yep. Oh shit. There you go. Okay, I just noticed that the front wheel suspension turns. So that's kind of cool. So it turns, but you gotta line it up with the shaft and then you snap it in. Let me see what to see from this. There you go, got one wheel in. See that the wheel could turn also. You could turn this way. And this is how it looks with the wheel attached and the headlights up. So depending on the model, the headlights goes up or down, or actually, yeah, it depends on the model. And some of them have a hard top and a soft top, and some of them are open top. And the exhaust is painted, as well as the Frankenstein bolt is painted. Pretty damn cool. A lot of detail for such a small little model. So I'm going to do the blue and white one next. Okay, so this is the, let's see if it could focus. So this is the white version of the same thing. The hard top has a little gap here. I'm not sure why. But the headlights on this is down. The wheels, the front wheels, you could turn it left and right. And exhaust is painted. The tail light can be detached or disattached or detached. And you just gotta be careful with that. They do come off, and make sure you don't lose that if you ever buy one of these. A little bit of like finicking with this, I could get the hardtop to align, but yeah, so this is the hardtop version. Okay, so this is the blue version. Headlights up again, soft top again. I think the wheel's slightly different. Wheels turn left and right again, exhaust painted. Tail lights, and this windows up. Not sure if the soft top goes off or comes down or not, but this is pretty cool. Here's another cool item that I had a while ago that I mentioned earlier. This is the charcoal cue. So they're basically penny racer. You can put a penny in the back, and what it does, it makes it to like a wheelie that you pull the car back, and like a wheelie, pullback wheelie. And this is the Miata version. And these could range from like $40-50 to up to like hundreds. So I've seen some that are worth like $700. But yeah, so these are hard to find too nowadays, especially in a package like this. And there's so many different cars version of that too. So here's another version of the charcoal cue. You could put, there's a slot in the back. You could put the penny in there, and you pull it back, put a penny in there, and it does a wheelie like that. And here's another cool item. Okay, so here's the bigger version of the charcoal cue. It's a pullback car, and it's just a bigger version. It's the Mazda Miata, and I've seen some of this go on eBay for like $200. So probably cheaper if you get it from Japan, just so you know. Mazda Miata that I found a while back. This is made by Champs. It's from the USA. And the cool thing about this model kit, that the soft top, or the hard top, actually fold back like that, and the doors open up. So this is like back in the 90s, I think, that you could purchase this, but I found one was used on eBay a while back. So this is pretty cool.
Thanks you for watching Hyper Speed Media. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.